Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. It's 12 o'clock and I just wanted to share with you something when you're buying trailers or trailer hitches. When you go to the store to buy a receiver hitch, a lot of times it won't come with the ball. Sometimes you can find it with the ball. This one was all together. My bigger one for the new trailer is a 2 5/16 and they didn't have any that had the receiver and the ball. You just buy the receiver and the ball, but then you get home and realize that you don't have a wrench to fit this thing. So what do? Well, here's the tip. Before you leave the store, put these together. Now, I'm not saying steal them. Definitely pay for each piece if you have to buy it separately. But if you can't find it all together and you have to put it together and you don't have wrenches at home that fit these, just take the ball and the receiver over to where the wrenches are, find a wrench that fits it and tighten it. Put it on there, tighten it in the store. You know, if you're in the store and you don't have that big wrench and you know you don't have that big wrench, or maybe you're out of town, just go to the other side of the store, grab a wrench, put it on. Hey, it's an easy way to get them together when you don't have the wrenches or the tools at home or you're not at home. Well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work, and don't steal the ball. This is just the tip.